Hi y'all, and welcome to episode 37 of Thursday Tidbits. My name is Kathy Rucat Smith and I'm a realtor with Palmetto Coastal Homes in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today we're going to talk about when you should schedule canceling your utilities, your other services, and your insurances that you may have on your home when you're a seller. You have a lot going on with the sale of your home. You need to pack, you need to get moved, and you potentially are closing on the home that you are moving into. With all of that going on, it's very easy to let the little things slide through the cracks, like when you need to turn off your utilities, cancel any other services that you may have on your home, and cancel your homeowner's insurance. This video will give you some tips on when to do those things. A couple of weeks before closing, you need to call your utility companies and let them know you will be moving. If you are moving locally and using the same service, let them know that new address and they can just transfer your services to that new address. Also, let them know that the new buyer will be calling to set up a new account with the company. So during this time, you need to make sure that you call your cable and internet company, telephone if you have a landline, electric, water, and your trash company if your trash service is not included in your HOA. And if closing for some reason should be moved up or pushed back, you can always call your utility companies and let them know the date changed. But for right now, those couple of weeks before closing, have everything ready to transfer as of the day of closing. You will also need to talk to your other recurring services. This may include your landscaper, pest control, your pest services, and just any other recurring services that you may have. So let your landscaper know that you'll no longer need their services at your current address as of the date of closing. And if you need them at your new address, give them that address and go ahead and get set up with them there. The same thing goes for your pest control. If you have a termite bond on your home, also give them a call and let them know you will be moving. You may need to set them up at your new home as well. If that termite bond is transferable, ask them while you're on the phone what the new buyers need to do to get that service transferred into their name. If you have any other recurring services, be sure to give them a call and cancel your services at your current house and then transfer if you will need those services at your new house. The final thing that you will need to cancel when you close your home are your homeowner's insurance and your flood insurance if you have that on your property. Your homeowner's insurance and your flood insurance are a little different than the things that were discussed earlier in this video. So instead of canceling those on the day of closing, I want you to wait and cancel those once your deed is recorded. So the transfer of the property happens once the deed is recorded. Typically, the buyer and the seller will sign their closing paperwork in the morning and the deed will get recorded in the afternoon. At that point, that's when the new buyer owns the home. But if something does happen and that deed is not recorded until maybe the following morning, the property is still yours. So instead of canceling your homeowner's insurance and your flood insurance as of the day of closing, wait on those things and don't cancel those two items until you officially know that your deed is recorded. Now, my advice is to go ahead and give your insurance company a call a few weeks out from closing and just let them know what you need to do. Typically, there's some kind of paperwork that you will need to fill out saying that you're canceling your insurance. Go ahead and get that so you've got it. You can fill out everything ahead of time, but just be sure not to cancel your homeowner's insurance or your flood insurance until you've received notification that that deed has recorded. I hope these tips for when you should cancel your utilities, your recurring services, and your homeowners and flood insurance were helpful to you. As always, if you have any questions about buying or selling in Murrells Inlet or questions about living at the beach, give me a call. Have a great day.